Hello, I'm Jesse. In this video, I will guide you through building user sign-up and the login features for a web API project using Microsoft ASP.NETCore Identity, include UserManager, RoleManager, SignInManager classes, C# program language, .NET Core framework, .NET8 framework, EntityFrameWork Core for database access. Let's get started. First, I need to install the Microsoft package, Microsoft ASP.NETCore Identity, EntityFrameWork Core. Okay, I need to add this, but this already in my machine. Let me check. Let me go to package. My type, okay, here, Microsoft. See, I already in there. Installed. Okay, installed. Let me check installed. See, this is already in my machine, so I don't need to install. So we go to next step. Okay, next step, I need to configure and update the database context. Okay, actually, I need to just update this. I need to copy this. Oh, this already in there. Okay, I copied. Right. Database. This is the database context, right? I copied this. Then I need, okay, already in there. I changed the context to identity DB context. Then identity user, okay, here. Then I copy, copy the function on model creating. Yeah, this is done. Okay, for the data book web API context. Okay, this is done. Okay. Next step, I need configure identity service in program CS file. Okay, program CS file. Okay, I need to include the namespace, rename space. Let me copy. Programify. Copy. Okay, it's already. Okay. What this node I need to install? Let me check. Jet Microsoft Authentication. I need a Jet where I need to install this software. Sync. Let me check. authentication JS. Okay, I need to install this one. Okay, JS. Authentication. Micosoft.NETCore. Authentication. Authentication. Authenticate this one. JS. Okay. Authentication. Version is okay. A01 is correct. Let me install. This software for create a token. Okay, it's done. We go to program again. See, this is done, right? Okay, let me check another file. Update. This is 3 file already updated. Then I need configure identity service. I copy this. Configure identity service. Okay, here. Oh, okay, configure. Here we replace identity service. Okay, then for this file. Add authorization, configure, and this I need to install. This authentication, authorization, authentication. Authentication, authorization. Then okay. Okay, this we don't yeah. Yeah, in the later we need to install this. Okay, current because we didn't create the add transfer. Okay, we need to add. Let me check. This is database setup, register database. Okay, setup. See, I didn't create this. Okay, let me check. Missing something. Okay. Yes. Let me check. Entity. Core data identity. Okay. Let me first come out because we need to create the service. Then we can do this. Okay. Register service. Come out. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is that. So configure identity service on the program CS file. We already add a new one, update it. Okay. Next step, we need to set up database migration. Okay, migration. After migration, they will automatically create the table. Okay, this is identity package automatically created table in the database. Okay, let me change the database connection. Before do something, I will using different database services. Let me using its database book service database. We are not before we show you the table. Okay, ASP.NET user ASP.NET role ASP.NET role user, right? We are not this table. Okay, let me change the link. Let me change the link. Database link in here. Setting. Okay, here. Oh, book service. Book services. Book service. We change one. Just remove this. Okay, change this. This is good. Okay, let me there. Then we can build. Okay, it's done. Let me migrate. We go to tool. Go to navigate the package. Go to console. Then we type. Yeah, we type the .NET EF migrations add identity tables identity user tables. Okay. Okay, let me check. Migration file already created. Okay, migration. See, migration identity tables, right? This one, the day we create. So we can check the whole database data. See, remove, drop the user. He dropped the user. Then create the ASP.NET role. ASP.NET user. Okay, that's the role claim. Right, ASP.NET user claims. User login. User roles. User token. Okay, everything. Okay. In this table, so I continue using .NET if database update. Okay. Now after that, database will update. Okay. Currently we can double check database, no change, right? This service table, no change. Okay. Okay. Let me run this code. Okay. Perfect. Done. So let me check table service. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Table already created, right? Okay, perfect. Let me check. It's empty. Okay, total is empty. Nothing, right? Okay, it's total new. Next step, we need to create a models and define the entity manually, right? Create a model. Okay, first we create the editor rule view model, login view model. Okay, register view model, and the rule view model. User rule view model. Okay, the whole things. But I can just copy out. I already make it this in another project, so I just copy it. Okay. Model here, model. Then remove view model or registration model. Okay, I overwrite. Yes. Okay. 1. Copy. Yes. Yes. Copy. Yes. Copy. Read. Yes. Okay. So we can see, okay, the new model, my editor view, a role view model, login view model. Okay. So this is a registration view model. Registration view model. Okay. This is a rule view model. This is a user rule view model. Okay. So This is just the define the entity. This entity is the same as our database table current, right? It's the same. Okay, it's the same. So we just define it from here. Then we can talk from the model entity using the database context to talk to the database. Okay, so this reason why we need to create the model. Okay, so next step, model is done, right? Next step, okay, we need to create a count controller. Count controller. This count controller, they handle user-related requests, include sign up, user sign up, user login, confirmation, send a confirmation email, and confirmation email. Okay, and another is rule, add rule, update rule. Okay, so this is okay. This is reference namespace. We need to add. Okay, first we created the content controller. Okay, from here, let me. Content already in. Okay, partially, not finished. Not finished. Okay, content controller. Let me check. We have the. I can use in compare. Content controller. Okay, content controller. We need. This is the right side is I'm just working on. Okay, this is I already finished. I just demo show you how to create this new feature, user security feature, by using the Microsoft ASP.NETCore identity. Okay, this very important. Let me first create a content already created, right? I need to declare the user manager. Okay, I just copy user manager. Copy, declare manager is already. Then, okay, sign in manager. Sign in manager means login, right? We need a sign in manager. Okay, sign in manager. Then rule manager. Rule manager means we'll manage user rule. Create a rule, update a rule, delete a rule. For this. Okay, this rule. This is read database. Oh, no, email. Okay, this is send the email interface. Okay, we just declare send email interface instance, create instance. Okay, so okay, this is done. This is done. we need to add more, right? We declare, then assign, set up, RoleManager, and the email sent. Okay, in here. First part we done. Okay, here is we need the identity user service. We need to add this. Okay. This namespace. Then next we created the sign up action. We have sign up action, right? Sign up action. It's already done in here. We can check the sign up. Yeah, check model state is valid. Then we declare user. User include username and email. Okay, username, email, we always using just email. Okay, this is in the user manager. Okay, so let me, I need to include this. Then rule equal new identity rule. This rule is a new rule, right? Identity rule. Identity rule include the rule ID and the name. Okay, this rule. Then we first need create a user. Using the UserManager, create a user. Include the user and the password. This password we will pass. Okay. We will pass from the password in the we have model, right? Model, the registration view model, right? We included the password. Okay. Let me show you the view model. Law registration view model. Okay, here. Registration view model, we have password, right? The password. User ID is automatically created. We don't need it. Is system created. We don't care. Okay. Just the email and password in this. Another, we don't need to use so far. Okay. We don't need. Okay. Let me continue. Go to compare. This is a count, continue count, right? Count. You can see here, we add a user. Then if we success, we then add confirm email, right? We can find the email. If from email, we find the user. If we success, then we add a rule, right? User add rule. Okay, user rule name. Okay, rule name still in the here rule, right? Rule name. Okay, rule name. Okay. Then we add a rule. If rule add success, we need using UserManager is the rule. Okay, we check just rule whether rule is just a confirm. Check user rule, right? check user rule. If user rule success, then we send confirmation email to the user. Okay, that's all. This is done. For this is done. Okay, let me just copy to right side. Everything is done. Okay. Okay, this is sign up. Sign up function is done. Okay. Then we can, next is login. Login, we have login module. Login, actually, we just need email, password, readme, remember me, and the lockout on failure. Okay, we said true. We just using the SignInManager. Then login, right? Login to database using this login to database because we pass here module, email, and the password we from module. Okay, let me show you login view module. Login view module here. Login view module. We have, okay, password, right? We have email. Login, just we needed the two things. Okay, login. Another, we don't need a temporary. Okay, lockout failure, we don't need that. We already set up. So after that, success. A login success. But this login success, before we log in, we must have some data confirmed. Yeah, I will talk to you about this later. Okay. So currently we just one by one to understand each action. Oh. So each action, this is login, right? Login action. Yeah. This error handler, it's okay. Let me move to right side. Okay. This is send the confirmation email. Send the confirmation email means when we log in, when we sign up, we will send the email to the user. Okay. User got an email, then click link, automatically call our web API, confirm email is correct. Then we update our table. Then after that, the user can log in. Okay. So when you can see when we send the email to the user, we will create the token for security, right? We create a token using this method, create token. We using the confirmation link to create a link. Then we using the email send this function to send the email. Okay, include the link. Include the link. See here, right? Link in here. Yeah, link here. Then user got this. The user click, automatically call another function. Okay. This is the send an email function. Okay. So next is feedback confirmation email. Feedback confirmation email means user get the email link, then they click the link. They automatically call the function, right? We call feedback confirm email. Okay, call back. Then we using UserManager confirm synchronous email, confirm email, right? User token. Then we update the table. After that, the user, login successful. Okay. So I copy this to right side. Okay. Next is simple, easy, is create a rule. We can add a new rule. Okay, what kind of rule, right? We first using the rule view model rule view model. Very easy, just rule ID, rule name, right? We can see the rule view model here. See, rule name, stamp, currency, co-currency stamp, just this. This ID is rule ID is automatic created by system. So we come out. We don't need. Okay, this is create a rule, right? Create a rule. If we call the rule existing, if a rule already in there, you cannot. Rule already in there, right? You don't need it. You cannot create a new one. Add a duplicate rule, right? If not there, we just rule manager create a rule create the rule. Okay, identity rule, right? We create this rule. Okay. Okay. After is edit rule. After edit rule, for example, you say you can update a rule before rule is not good, right? Name, just update the name. Your rule name, you can update. It's very simple. For example, first we need to check whether rule ID in there. If there, we can update. We using the update rule manager update rule. Okay, rule manager update rule. Next, add a rule to user. Okay, sometimes user somehow some reason user not have rule. We need to add a rule or update user rule, right? So this function will add a user a rule. Okay, we using UserManager first find the user. If okay, user is if user is now. If not now, we need add rule, right? UserManager add rule to this user name user. Okay, that's all. This whole function is done. Let me check. Okay, it's done. No. Okay. Next, we need to create the email service. This rule, okay, create a count controller, right? It's done. Count controller, the whole function there. Okay, so next we need to create a email service. Email service, because in the local host we are not an email server. we just want to create an email service using if you have Google account, you can using Google server to send the email. Okay, I will help you how to set up the app password from the Google account. Yeah, Google account. First, let me create the email service. The email service, okay. We are first using the IS. Okay, we're using this, right? System net mail. Then interface, right? Interface, I send the email interface. Okay. Send the email, full email, subject, body, and is body HTML equal 4. Okay. Then we create a class is implementer interface, right? Then we using the configuration, email send configuration equal configuration. Okay. Then we create a task send mail. Okay, this is to subject, the body. Okay, this function send the email asynchronous function in here. But here actually we can use in async. We can use in async. Okay, here. Try. Okay. Because this function already existing, so I just copy this function to the data folder. Copy. Yeah, from here data, we copy the function to here, the service here, done. Okay. You can send, we first, this function include to email subject body, right, is HTML. Yeah. Mail server. Okay, mail server, we can email mail server. We have set this into different area. Okay. First, let me set this into ASP setting JSON. Okay. So here we need to set up app password, update app JSON file. Okay, app JSON file. We need to copy this. Okay, this is email setting, right? Email setting. We using the server using gmail.com. The port number is 587. This is non-security. 465 is security. Then using .NET name, you can use any name. Send the name, .NET tutorial, right? Using my email address is real Gmail email address. Then password you got this password. Okay, very important. Let me copy this to the setting. To the setting here. Okay. Okay, here. I copy here. Before we have another things. We need a set up app password from google.com. Okay, let me show you how to set up Google. First, we need to log in Google account. Then click security menu on the left side. Then check two-step verification. How you sign in Google section. Then scroll down to find the app password. Then click allow, cat arrow. Then arrow. Arrow. Click arrow, type your app name in app name box, then click create a button. Then copy the app password here to the setting before I using setting from here, right? Password. This is your Google password, your server password like. So in this way, you can using the Google mail server in your local host. Okay, let me try show you how to do that. Google. Okay, let me go to. Okay, Google, then Google, then Google account, my account. Okay, click your account, then in security, in here, right? You make sure this is checked. The two-step verification. Click. Okay, ask me login to the Google. I need to log in. Okay, I'm now after login. I scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. See here, app password, right? App password aren't recommended and are unnecessary in most cases to help keep your account secure using sign in with Google to connect the app to your Google account. That means this is just for your app, for my app, right? Okay, you create my app. So in this way, you just click here, add a password. You type your app name. You can type anything, right? .NET identity, right? Anything class CLA. Why? Yeah, you can do this. Then great. Okay, this is your password. This is your password you created. Then you can use this, but I don't need. Okay, this is a 16 digit, 16 character. When you copy this password, you need to remove the space. Remove the space. Okay, so done. Okay, so let me check. So password, you need to put the password to the app setting JSON file, right? JSON file. So I already put there. You can see this is a new one. It's okay. Okay, I already have another one. Okay, I already have another one. Okay. So current, everything is done. We can test. We can test. Okay. Let me test one by one. All right. Okay. Let me build it. Let me build it. See whether can get some error. Okay. Perfect. No any error. Okay. Good. Then we can start. Hey, something wrong seems. Okay. Why sign up? Come, not here. Let me check what the reason. Book. So currently we just sign up, not another account. Okay, let me check what it is. On data. Okay. Oh, I didn't save. Sorry. What happened? What's happened? Why it's not in here? Let me compare the file. Services appear here. Services appear. Okay. Let me compare. Backup. I have a service. I work on this one. This one. Okay, let me check. Are different. Model. Book model is okay. Another model is already there. And data. It's not. Oh. Okay. Minimal. Okay, here, public. Okay. User we don't need. Okay. Correct. Email is the same. Email module. Document. Object controller. Okay, count controller. Count controller is the same. Okay, then setting. Setting is the same. Focus. Okay. Same. Okay. Use Google MFI. Oh. Google MFI. What happened? Micosoft.AspNetCore.Identity user service. We don't need this. Okay, something. Okay. Oh, email. We didn't register before. Okay. Email here. We need run this. Okay, good. Email. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, this maybe is useless. Service, let me remove it. Okay, save. Yeah, I think everything is done. Okay. Okay, different. We don't need that. This is home service is duplicated. We don't need call host identity. Just duplicate it. We don't need it. Okay. Okay. Let me try again. Okay. Run the project again. Okay, perfect. It's work. See, so many. Okay, action in here. Let me first add here. Okay, we sign up user. We test. Okay, sign up user. We try. Then we can. Okay, here email address. Okay, tell you we can use in some email using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 email. We using the server using mailing.com. Okay, this is very good. First name is okay. Current we very not important rules. Yeah. Rule ID we don't need. Rule name we need. Okay, I just add. Oh, we are not a rule so far, so we cannot do anything, right? We are not a rule. How to do this? So first, since we need to add a new rule. Okay, let me put it here. Admin. Okay, put it here. I don't do anything from here. System this password. Okay. Okay, let me copy this. Okay. Let me first add a new rule. Okay. Create a new rule from here. Okay. Let me try using rule. Okay, here. Rule name. Okay, we using admin. Current stamp. Current stamp is admin. Okay, doesn't matter. Current stamp admin. Let me check. Rule creates success. Okay, we check database. We can check book service, database, create a rule, right? We can check a rule. Okay, rule here, right? Admin, right? Oh, we don't need a current add anything, just a rule ID automatic create. Let me add another one. Okay, we need add more. Admin, super admin, right? Subadmin. Let me, okay. Subadmin. It creates the subadmin. Okay, subadmin is done. Then let me check subadmin. If I select the okay subadmin, then we can add another one. Subadmin. Employee. Right, okay. And another is the customer. Customer, okay. So currently we have rule is for rule custom. Okay, let me check. Okay, see, employee customer, super. Okay, done. Then we can sign up user login, right? So here we already fill the data. Then I click, see what happened. Okay. Let me debug the code. I can debug the code. I can debug. Okay. We can debug sign up, right? Okay, here. Okay. Can see what happened. Okay, see? Sign up, right? Then we one by one. Okay, one by one. We username, right? Email, see? Email, role number, the admin, role name. Then we create a user. Okay, create this new user. Okay, let me continue. If success, we can check. Okay, succeeded, right? Succeeded, we can continue. Add the rule, right? Okay, then we can check. Email, get user, then user not now, we can add a rule. This rule name already in there, right? Rule name. Model rule name, right? Already in there. We can admin, right? Rule already in there. So continue. Succeeded. Okay, we can conform. Check user role. Rule in there. Yes, rule in there. Then we can send the email, right? Send the email. Okay, let me check. Send the email. Okay, we call the send the confirmation mail. Okay, this is our confirmation email, right? In here. Okay, let me double check. Okay, confirmation mail, right? We create a token, then create a link. Very important things I tell you here, right? It's now. Let me click. If now we cannot work. If not now, it's work fine. See, this is a link, right? Yes, confirmation email link. Okay. You can see where action is free. See, action name, control name, count, right? Count control name, right? Then email, user email, token, right? We pass this. Here is feedback confirmation email. We have function feedback confirmation. This is another action, right? We must call this action. Okay. Then we can continue to go to this email, right? Okay, let me go to email service. Email service. Let me. Okay, here. Email service. Not here. Here. Okay, let me continue. Okay, here. See, call the email service. Email service, we can check. Okay, we can check. The server is Gmail server, right? SMTP server. Email from my email. Okay. Password, right? No space. Port is okay here. Emails from is okay, right? It's good. We can continue. Okay, then client new email portal. Then we very important is credential. New, this is it's true. Here code is very important. Then message, we get a message from to subject body. Okay. Let me check. Okay, this email. This is from mail. This is to mail. Subject is confirm your email. Body is link, right? Body is link. Then we using client send the email. Okay, client is here. Client is SMTP client, right? This is mail server class. Then we send it. After send, we can success. Okay, good. Success, right? Success. Nothing, no error. Okay, go back. See? Send confirmation email. Success. We go. Okay. No. Success. Okay. Done. Success. Send the email. Success. Right? Login. Success. Right? So we can check login success. See? Sign up. Success. Then we check email. Okay. We go to the mail. Okay, here. This is mailing.net server. Okay, their website. We can. Oh, what's happened? Okay, let me go to their server. Then type my email address. Okay, this is a temporary email server. You can get email. Okay, from here. I just copy user 1, 2, 3, 4 from here. I'll copy server. Okay, I got it. This is from my email, right? My email address, correct? Okay. See, please confirm your account by click here. When you see, we can see what happened. Localhost, right? APR account, feedback, confirmation. This is like a call our web APR, right? This is the email address and the token. You need to go back. Okay. Let me check in. Let me check in my just a moment. Checking my login. No. Oh, okay, send the email. Okay, this one. I check in. I make pointers here. Okay. Then should be a clicker should be call this function, right? Call this function. Then we confirm email. Okay. Let me double check before click. We can check the table. Okay. We can check the user. We create a new user. Just one user. See, one user. Okay, create the but the email confirmed is 0, not confirmed, right? Then after that, email will confirm. Let me continue. Click here. Okay, see, call action, feedback, confirmation, confirm email. Then we can debug step by step. Okay, in this way, they will update the table. Okay, update table. We can check. Okay, after that, everything is okay. Success, right? Then we can see, okay, confirmation email is a success. They call us, right? Using call. This is our side actually, right? Okay, success. Then we can check database. Okay, we'll check this database whether. Okay, one confirm, right? After that, we can try login. So let me try login. This success, right? Let me try login. Here is a login, right? Post the login. We can try login. Login actually just a password and email address. So before we pass the password here. Okay, password is, I copy it here. Password, right? Password and email address. Email address here. Okay. Another we don't care. Okay, remember true or false, or this will be true or false. We don't care. Okay. Let me check login. Oh, very fast. Cool. Login successful. Okay. In this way, the user login successful, right? So very important that the everything seems user sign up, user email confirmation, user confirmation, and the login, right? Everything is done. Let me check another things. We can check update, edit rule. We can add a rule. We can edit the rule. We can check whether we can edit the rule. Try edit the rule. This is string ID, but this is not good. Okay, so far I need an update, but I just let you know. Maybe it's not good. Okay, let me update the customer. I update customer. I got the row ID. Then I change it. The name is member. Member. Before is a customer, currently is a member. Let me check whether we can work on it. Okay, see, success. Then we can check table with the table change it, right? Okay, member, right, member. Then concurrent after you change it, this is the concurrent stem is change the data automatically. Okay. So this is we are using. Let me summary our. Okay, test is done, right? Summary. In this demo, I show you how to install Microsoft.NET. This is not .NET. Okay, sorry. We actually install .NET EntityFrameWork Core. Actually, version is 8.0.1. Okay, like this. First, we need to install this. This is a new one. Okay, then how to configure, update your database context using identity context. Okay, let me show you again. Okay, what we need to update. Let me get code, I think. Get code. Okay, let me identity. This one, right? We changed it before. This is only DB context. Currently, we using identity, right? Then identity user. Okay, this is different, right? Then we add this for create a module automatically, right? Module created. Okay, this one. Configure contact. Then configure service on programming file. Configure service on programming file. Actually, lot of place we do this since. Okay, configure. I can show you. Okay, from here, we add identity, right? This one, we add the authentication, JWT, bearer, okay. Then we add the configure identity service here, right? Identity service. I include identity, use identity role here. Okay, this is password setting. Okay, this is include. Okay, here service and authentication. Here is build service, configure identity option, sign in, require confirmation. That means you sign must using email confirmation, right? For this. This is authentication or first authorization, login. Authentication means when you log in, we need authenticate check your whether it's correct. We already done, right? We're using the default authentication schema. Okay, here authentication schema, right? Here and this is for email. Okay, send the email. We add a service at the transient this email interface, send the email interface. This is send the email function. we call this. Okay, and this we done. Next, with summary. Okay, migration. Okay, after that we migration. Migration just migration you are setting to create the database, right? Database table for process the user login, sign up, user login, rule, send the email, right? The everything. Okay. This migration. Let me go to migration. I just made to use some code. Migration from here, right? Yeah, after migration, I using migration. Yeah, it will create this migration file. Then create the table, right? Okay. So migration code is very simple. We can go back to migration code. Password set, migration code, setting. Okay, here migration. The here migration very easy, right? .NET migration, add anything you can type any word you want. Okay. After success, you can use .NET here, right? Yeah, update automatically create this table. Then you need to check. Okay. So migration. Okay, after migration, we just create a model and define the entity model, right? Models, right? A lot of models. Very important things when you create a model, you need using some show you. Okay, for example, use request view model, right? We need to add some like a key, the annotation or data annotation. You need to add, right? Maximum, right? Data type required or something key or maximums, right? Yeah, you need a required or something. Okay, here is required, right? Okay, it's very important. I can show you something one by one. Okay, registration. Actually, we just for this security setting, we just need a password, username, role ID, right? Role ID. Another is maybe we need to create another things to handle. Login view, same thing. Okay, almost the same, right? Login. Then rule, right? Rule model using rule view, user rule. Edit rule model. Rule model very simple. Rule name, right? Just a rule name. Okay. Login view model register rule view model here. Edit rule view model. Same. Okay. Then user rule model. User rule model, we need a user ID, username. This is the join one table because one user have multiple rule. One rule have multiple user. So this is many to many. So we must create like a join table. This is user rule. New model is join, like a join. Okay, we have this table. ASP.NET user rule table. Okay, let me show you. See, ASP user rule table. Okay, we here. It's a join table, right? Just user ID, rule ID. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is rule model. Model then count. Okay, we already done, right? Each count. Let me show you code again. We create the count. We first we include the identity. Okay, very important identity authorization. Okay, this very important space pack reference space. Okay, these two. Another is we declare the user manager. This belong to identity namespace, right? User manager, then SignInManager, RoleManager. Okay, this is like email. Okay, email interface. Okay, this come from mail. Okay, mail, next mail. Okay, we created identity mail interface, right? Okay, then we set the value. Set value. This is constructor. We set this value to here. Then one by one, we create each action. Okay, one is sign up. Okay, sign up. Sign up purpose, we need to get the email username, then get a role. Then we create a user, add a new user, then add a rule, right? Then send the confirmation email. 3, right? Since for this function. Login function, we just after user after sign up, then email confirmation, we can log in to your site, your account. Okay, we just using the password sign in asynchronous method. Okay, yeah, using this login. After login, we success, right? This email, we already say email, we call this email function. This is action. Yeah, send the confirmation email. This we will call web email service. First service, we need to get a token. We need to pass the email. We get a token, then create the confirmation link. This is confirmation link. This is feedback confirmation email. Okay. In here, right? Then we wait using the call the send an email asynchronous service from here. Now this function, we create a web email service, email service in here, right? Yeah, we just created the action function to send the email asynchronous. This is implement the interface, right? Implement the interface. We pass the two emails, subject body, right? Then we put this setting, web server, right, into the ASP setting, the JSON page here, right? Here is email setting data. Okay. So configure, we can do like this. Okay, email. Then we can check then using mail server client, mail server, right? SMTP client, right? Get the server port, then set the credential, then set is enable SSL, then true, equal true. Got the mail message, okay, from here. Then is set is body is HTML format. That means email format is then we can send email to the user. Okay, to the user. To the user. Okay. This is mail server. Mail service. Mail service. After that, user click link, right? Then go back to this, call this action. Then we check their email, check their token, their pass token, right? Then we confirm using the UserManager, confirm email asynchronous. That means update the ASP.NET user table, set the email confirm equal 1. Confirm the email equal 1, right? Before it's 0. This is another action is create a row. Create a row. A row is just add a row, right? Yeah, add a row. It's a simple row name. Just a row name. We first check whether row is existing. If a row existing, we ignore. We cannot do this. If not existing, we create a new one. Okay. Create a new one here using a RoleManager to create a synchronous. Okay, it's done. That's editor rule is the same editor. We just update rule, right? Update rule, right? Using rule ID and the rule name, update the rule. It's simple, easy. Last is add rule to user. Add rule user. That means somehow, some reason, user no rule. We can add a rule to the user. Okay, this is very simple, easy way. Okay, so email service, okay, confirmation, set up a password, we are done. Right, Google account, okay, set up a Google account. Yeah, we already show you how to set a Google account. Get the app password, very important. Get app password. You can see my very detailed the video, before video, okay. How to update the setting, add email setting, okay, it's done. So By following this step, I think you should be able to develop your identity user security feature like authorization and authentication. Use .NET8, ASP.NETCore, EntityFrameWork Core, and C# Microsoft ASP.NETCore.Identity in your web API project. In the future, I will integrate user authentication authorization into my book Angular UI project using the Angular 15, okay, to securely access book services API endpoint. Then implement comprehensive error handling within the book services API project. I encourage viewers to explore future and build upon this foundation. Hope this demo can help you start building your secure and user-friendly web API application. And welcome to subscribe and give me feedback to enhance the content. Thank you.